Welcome to TechMirror, the best portable camping toilets in 2026. In this video, we explore top options that offer comfort, convenience, and easy setup for your outdoor adventures. Whether you are camping off-grid or traveling in an RV, these picks will keep things clean and hassle-free. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details and the latest prices on each product. Number 5. The PAHTTO Portable Camping Toilet is a practical and well-designed solution for outdoor sanitation, offering a reliable balance of comfort, portability, and durability. Built from high-quality ABS plastic, this folding toilet feels sturdy and dependable, with a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds. The seat is noticeably wider and higher than many compact alternatives, making it more comfortable for both adults and children during extended use. One of its standout features is the quick folding design. With fewer support panels than many competing models, setup and storage are fast and simple, which is especially useful when you are on the move. The included waterproof carry bag adds convenience, allowing you to pack it neatly without worrying about moisture or dirt affecting your other gear. The addition of a retractable toilet paper holder is a thoughtful touch that enhances usability. It fits most standard rolls and keeps everything within easy reach. The built-in rear handle also makes it easier to carry and reposition the toilet when needed. Its compatibility with standard 6 to 8 gallon bags makes disposal straightforward and hygienic. Beyond its primary function, this portable toilet is impressively versatile. It can double as a stool, storage box, trash container, or even an emergency bucket, making it a valuable addition to any camping or travel kit. Lightweight at just 3 pounds, it is easy to transport for camping, hiking, fishing, or long road trips. Overall, it is a dependable and multifunctional outdoor essential. Number 4. The Eioehtl portable toilet stands out as a thoughtfully upgraded option for campers and travelers who value comfort and reliability in outdoor sanitation. Designed with an elongated seat that closely resembles a household toilet, it offers a more natural and relaxed sitting position. The increased height and wider structure make a noticeable difference, especially during longer use. And it accommodates both adults and children comfortably. Constructed from premium ABS plastic, this portable toilet is impressively durable while remaining relatively lightweight. With a load capacity of up to 450 pounds, it provides excellent stability and confidence, even for heavier users. Despite its sturdy build, it remains easy to carry and transport, making it a practical companion for camping trips, road travel, or emergency situations. One of its most appealing features is the detachable phone shelf and toilet paper holder. This clever addition enhances convenience by keeping essentials within reach. The phone shelf is especially useful for modern users, adding a touch of practicality that many similar products overlook. Setup is quick and straightforward, taking less than a minute, which is ideal when time and convenience matter most. The included disposable waste bags and waterproof storage bag further improve usability, ensuring clean and hassle-free disposal. Beyond its primary function, it can also serve as a stool, trash container, or emergency bucket, adding versatility to its design. Overall, this portable toilet delivers a strong combination of comfort, durability, and multifunctional use for a wide range of outdoor activities. Number 3. The Boreeman Portable Camping Toilet is a smartly engineered solution for outdoor sanitation, combining durability, flexibility, and compact design. Built with a unique fish scale structure and reinforced with strengthening ribs, this model delivers impressive stability despite its lightweight construction. Made from modified polypropylene, it supports up to 400 pounds, making it a reliable choice for both adults and children in various outdoor settings. One of its most notable features is the adjustable height design. The toilet can be set anywhere between approximately 2.95 inches and 13.58 inches, allowing users to customize it for comfort or adapt it to different situations. This flexibility sets it apart from many fixed-height portable toilets and makes it more versatile for a wider range of users. Portability is another strong point. The collapsible design allows it to fold down into a compact disc, saving valuable space in your backpack, car, or camping gear. The integrated carrying handle makes transportation even more convenient, whether you are heading to a campsite, beach, or long road trip. Ease of use is excellent, thanks to its smooth extension and retraction mechanism. It can be set up or folded down in seconds, which is ideal for emergencies or quick stops. The non-slip rubberized feet add an extra layer of safety by keeping the toilet stable on different surfaces. In addition to its primary use, it can function as a stool or trash container, adding extra practicality. Overall, this is a highly versatile and dependable option for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 2. The Hapoon Portable Camping Toilet for Adults XL is a well-designed option that prioritizes comfort, strength, and convenience for outdoor and emergency use. Constructed from high-quality ABS plastic, it delivers excellent durability with a load capacity of up to 400 pounds. This makes it suitable for both adults and children, providing a stable and secure experience in a variety of environments. One of its key highlights is the extra-large size. With a higher and wider seat compared to many standard portable toilets, it offers a more comfortable sitting position that feels closer to a regular household toilet. This added comfort can make a significant difference during longer trips or frequent use, especially for users who find compact designs too restrictive. The folding mechanism is simple and efficient, allowing the toilet to be set up or collapsed within seconds. Its lightweight and space-saving design make it easy to carry in a car, backpack, or travel gear without adding unnecessary bulk. Whether you are camping, hiking, or on a long road trip, it is easy to store and transport. This model also stands out for its multifunctional design. In addition to serving as a portable toilet, it can be used as a stool, trash container, storage box, or even an indoor solution for elderly users. The included lid enhances hygiene and versatility. Cleaning is straightforward, as it is compatible with standard 8-gallon bags. Overall, the Hapoon XL portable toilet is a dependable and comfortable choice for a wide range of uses. Number 1. The Sckee Camping Toilet is a feature-rich and highly practical solution for outdoor sanitation. Designed to deliver comfort and reliability in a compact form. Built from heavy-duty ABS plastic, it offers impressive durability with a load capacity of up to 450 pounds. The ergonomic seat is thoughtfully contoured and includes an extended opening, providing a more comfortable and natural sitting position for users of different body types. Portability is one of its strongest advantages. The toilet folds down into a slim and compact size that is easy to store in a car, backpack, or RV. Despite its sturdy build, it remains lightweight enough for travel, making it a convenient option for camping, hiking, road trips, and emergency situations. The included storage bag further enhances its grab-and-go usability. Ease of use is another highlight. The material resists stains and odors, making cleaning simple and quick. The stay-up lid adds a familiar touch, while the included waste bags and gel help solidify liquid waste for cleaner disposal. This thoughtful addition makes maintenance far less messy compared to basic portable toilets. The built-in tray and toilet paper holder add extra convenience, allowing you to keep essentials like your phone or wipes within reach. This is especially useful during nighttime or in challenging outdoor conditions. Its stable design performs well on uneven terrain, from sandy beaches to rocky campsites. Overall, the Sckee Camping Toilet combines comfort, smart features, and portability, making it a reliable companion for any outdoor adventure or travel need. Thanks for watching our guide to the best portable camping toilets in 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect option for your next outdoor adventure. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful gear reviews. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments, and stay tuned for more camping tips and recommendations coming soon.